Hi, thanks for being in a new video. This time let me tell you what I like most and least about the Nubia music after having tried it. So as always, let me tell you not to buy the Nubia music without watching this video. Let's consider its launch price, which was 2,799 Mexican pesos. I know that currently you can surely find it a little cheaper, but remember that we always take that price as a reference. Let's start with what I like the most. The design is quite striking. The back cover is full of colors. The special speaker design also draws a lot of attention. It has no drop notch name, but a circular cutout on the screen, so it has a very nice design. The speaker on the back sounds really loud. In my video review, I hadn't noticed that actually this device needs you to press the volume button up twice once you've reached volume. I don't have the maximum to really activate the maximum amplification. It seems to me that this should be a little clearer for the user, but in general, once you reach the maximum volume and press the volume up again, an amplifier is activated, and if you press the volume up again, another amplifier is activated, reaching a really high volume that you could enjoy if you want to have the cell phone a little far away and continue listening. To the music, the audio quality is not the most remarkable, but it does have 10-band equalizer, so you can customize the sound much better. So if you reduce a little the middle frequencies, it becomes a little more pleasant sound. It is very good that if you have equalizer, although this speaker has no presence of bass frequencies, but through the equalizer, if you could get to enjoy a little more the final result of STSN. Device that is very focused on music. It also has 2 headphone jacks, so it's great for sharing music with friends. It even supports the LDAC codec for using wireless high-resolution headphones. So as you can see, everything that has to do with audio stands out, especially considering that it is a fairly inexpensive device. In fact, you can use FM radio without the need to have headphones connected. So you can also get to stand out a lot in this section. In camera is not so remarkable, but one thing we can highlight is that it supports fast camera from 4 to 1/800x, so you can record a time-lapse quite attractive. It also has the fingerprint reader, which in the price range is something to highlight because not all integrate it. And finally, you can also project your screen wirelessly, something that in the entry range is not so common. But let me tell you now what I did not like so much. The device only has one microphone, so while it is a bit audio focused, the audio recording is not that advanced. The 50 megapixel camera really isn't well utilized either in the level of detail or zoom, so definitely consider the camera to be 12 megapixels, nothing more. Video recording in general won't be very good, and it comes with Android 13 out of the box without an update policy, so no. Has such an extended lifetime. Speaking of lifetime, the battery will not have such an extended lifetime either because it does not have smart charging. Charging lock or any mechanism to help us take a little more care of that battery. In addition, the battery takes 2.5 hours to charge from 0 to 100, so you have to be very patient. In addition, in connectivity only has Wi-Fi 4, then the download speed. The truth is that it is very limited. You will also need a lot of patience to download music, for example, because it takes a long time. In sensors, it is also very limited. There are very few sensors that you could take advantage of, and obviously the ecosystem is also very short. But for a device that wants to focus on music, I think it is a good proposal for the entry range. I would have liked to see the same proposal but for the mid-range, where they could surely integrate a better quality speaker and the overall experience would be a little more fluid, as this device is quite slow but in the range as expected. If you already bought it, let me know your experience in the comments. For now, we've reached the end of this video. If you liked it, you know you can let me know, and I'll see you next time.